Let's talk about cars, specifically, electric cars. These vehicles are quickly becoming a symbol of innovation and a cleaner future, popping up everywhere from city streets to suburban driveways. But what exactly makes an electric car different from the cars most of us grew up with? Electric vehicles, or EVs, are changing the way we think about transportation. They're not just a new type of car, they represent a shift in how we power our daily lives and move from place to place. As more people make the switch, our roads are starting to look and sound very different. Instead of a gasoline engine, an EV uses an electric motor powered by a large battery pack. This battery stores energy, which is then used to turn the wheels and get you where you need to go. There are no pistons, spark plugs, or tailpipes, just advanced technology working quietly under the hood. You charge it up by plugging it in, just like your phone or laptop. Charging can happen at home, overnight, at work, or at thousands of public charging stations popping up across the country. It's convenient, and you can often wake up to a full tank every morning. No gasoline, no oil changes, no exhaust pipes. Just clean, quiet driving. Electric cars glide almost silently, making city streets and neighborhoods more peaceful. And with fewer moving parts, maintenance is often simpler and less expensive.